Hello, so how about the problem on the board? The height of an isosceles triangle is 8 cm and the base is 10 cm long. Right, so we want to find one, the area of the triangle, the length of the sides, and the perimeter of the triangle. Right, so from this now, the area of a triangle is what? Half base times height. So solution, let's start with the first one. So the area of a triangle, area is half times base times height, right? Good. So this is equal to 1/2 times, what's our base? Our base is 10 cm. 10 cm. What's our height? Our height is 8 cm. Alright, so this is equal to, this cancel this, you have 4. 4 times 10 will give you 40. You have 40, then cm times tm will give you cm square. So this is the first one. What about the second one? Let's call this one A, right? So this is A. What about B? The B is the length of the sides. So one of the properties of isosceles triangle is that these two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Then one is not equal to any of the sides. Right, so from the information given here, it's identified that these two sides, from this sign here, this and this, they are equal. Right, so what we need to get one of these. So once we're able to get one of these, you know that it's the same thing as this, right? And to do that, you can see that from here we have that A to B is 10 cm long. So we'll get half of this, which that means from here to here is half, right? Hence, from this point to this point is 5 cm. From this to this is also 5 cm. So let's take half of this triangle out. So if you take half, hence we have this, right? So you have 5 cm. So this is the opposite. Here is what? 8 cm. And here is what? Unknown. Hypotenuse is unknown. Right? So we'll be getting this h now, this side, using what we call Pythagoras theory. Right? So using Pythagoras theorem. Right, so sorry, this is why. Say that hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is unknown. So we are looking for this hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? Adjacent is this 5 cm. 5 cm square. Opposite 8 cm square. Right? So this will give you 25 and this will give you 64 bar. 8 times 8 will give you 64. Let me be sure. 8 times 8 will give you 64. Yeah. Right? So you add them together. So 64 plus 25 will give you 89. 89. If you want to eliminate this square here, you take square root of both sides. If you take square root of both sides, hence you have that hypotenuse is what? Square root of 89. 89 will give you what? It will give you 9.4. Hence, here is what? 9.4 cm. Here, 9.4 cm. Here, 9.4 cm. Right? So we have gotten our B. What about our C? Our C is the perimeter of a triangle. So the perimeter means the distance of the whole shapes. So we are talking about the perimeter of this triangle. It means from this side A to B plus B to C plus A to C. Alright, so C. Let me do the C here. So C, perimeter is equal to AB. angle AB plus angle what? BC plus angle AC. So what's our angle AB? AB is 10 cm. 10 cm plus BC 9.4 cm plus AC same 9.4 cm. So we add everything together. Alright, so 10 plus 9.4 plus 9.4. It will give you 28.8. Have 28.8 what? cm. Right? So hence, from this first one, the area of this triangle, isosceles triangle, is 40 cm square. Then the length of the sides is what? The hypotenuse here is 9.4 cm, and the perimeter is what? 28.8. As simple as that. Thanks for watching.